Rolling. Isaiah Vasco, what's up, Soul Fighters? Here we are, April 16th, day after filing taxes, which we didn't really have to do. Only when you make money, you file break taxes, right?
Sand season.
Soul Fighters, today we working on, we're probably going to work 4 different areas of our session. So he's already on his 4th or 5th minute shadowboxing. I wanted to tune in while he was already pretty warm. Then we're going right into mitts, and then we're going right into bag work, okay? And then we have sparring scheduled. I think not the fall next week, the middle of the week, Wednesday, Thursday. So we're gonna be filming that. So stay tuned. We're also going to be offering one tutorial on the 5 basic punches of boxing. Countering, defense, offense. Going to be different levels of fighting. So going to be start from the beginning, going to be intermediate and expert. That way we can offer our family, quality filming, quality teaching, quality interacting with you all. It's Isaiah Vasco, shadow boxing right now. Come, Tommy. Come, Tommy, sit over here. Like that. Good work, good work. He's starting to loose up, so he's snapping him a little bit, but not where no near of his capability. You don't want to shadow box with your full snapping ability, so fighters, because you're going to throw your shoulder out and you're not really helping yourself. You gotta have something for impact if you bang it. So you can see it's like half speed, but he's working on his angles, his defense, his blocking, his trapping. He's going into the zone. Okay, remember, always go into the zone. Dig deep in the soul. Turn off the world and train seriously. Good to train alone sometimes. Not alone, but away from the crowd when you're first starting. So you know more distractions. If you can get on tutor like me or Isaiah, or a good place to go is Barry's Gym in Las Vegas. Barry is a phenomenal gym owner, ex-world champ. What he was, middleweight?
Yeah.
Middleweight fighter. Pat Barry. Super people over there. We train over there often, but right now we'll be training at home because we don't have a babysitter. And Isaiah's a single dad, and I'm a single grandpa. So dad and grandpa watching our 4 kids, they are our life, okay? So we are providing for them. Please like and subscribe. We ask that much because it's important to us to get this video up. I'm telling you right now, Isaiah is not no joke. This is not, we're just trying to make money on a YouTube station. This is the road to the BKF tryouts, okay? Also, we're probably going to sign with Dana White them for TKO, unless Eddie Hearn or somebody else pick them up. But they're not going to really grab us until we start fighting. We've had plenty of amateur fights, but we just got his pro license. So you guys are at the very, very, very tip of the iceberg. This guy going to blow up. I've been around a long time. Isaiah's a talented, and another thing, I came across talented fighters. Good movement, everything. But when you put them in the ring, they don't have heart. You hit them one time in the face. Like Mike Tyson Tim. Everything is good until you get hit in the face. Let me tell you, Isaiah got hit in the face many times. His response is what counts. So remember, a response is unconscionable. A reaction is conscionable. Okay? Remember that. So you're responding, your muscle response is an unconscionable movement, right? That you God-given response to something. A reaction is something that you meant to do off of your response. So your reaction is off of your response or off of somebody else's action. Got it? All glory to Yahweh, Yeshua, always. Nice work, baby. Come on this side, Tommy. Come by Papa. Remember, happy sounds, not free, happy sounds. Yeah, put in the hands, Tommy. Show the people what Tommy boy can do. He sees his oldest right here. Can't get him away from his dad. No matter where his dad go, he's going with his dad. Sometimes he like throw punches, sometimes he just makes 5, he's huge.
Move to your right.
Yeah, move to your right. Letting people easy go left. Right side, a little bit awkward for an orthodox fighter, but you gotta be able to do all. And then switch them up too when you can. You know, step into the southpaw stand. Beautiful work, baby. Beautiful work. I'm gonna get the mitts ready. We go bang bare knuckle mitts.
Yeah.
Okay. Reaction without calling them out, alright? Reaction punches without calling them out. And it's like, oh, 2 separate consecutive punches, alright?
Alright.
Hup. 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 Beautiful. Hup. 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 Oh. Hup. Beautiful. Hup. Hoop. Again. Hup.
Right.
Good. Up. Beautiful. Up. Up. Beautiful. Up. Up and down. Up. 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 Whoop. 2, 3, go. 2, 3. Right in my pocket. Up. Whoop. Beautiful. Oh, out of the way now. 2, 3. Yeah. Up. Whoop. Oh, 2, 3, go. I like that. Up. Whoop. Woo. Try that again. Up. 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 1, 2, 3. Up. Beautiful. Up. Up. Lock, lock. 1, 2. Up. Nice. Up. Just wait till the check hook. Up. All right, long. Come up from far away. Up.